Oh, I'm so sorry. We're not done with our sectioning. Okay, as you can see from item number 3, okay, here is a hole. Okay, then we must section item number 3. The direction will be like this for item number 3. Every time when we are sectioning, we use a 45 degrees set square. All right, we have a 45 and a 60. I think we're still on the same page. All right, then now we are done. Our drawing is complete. It's complete. Yeah, only this part is left. Then we put our bolt here. All right, but for now